Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking Around Toddlers. We're now 6 weeks into this quarantine, stay-at-home order. Let's see what today's recipe is. No, this is Daddy's medicine.
Why?
Because it just is. So let's check out today's recipe. Let's try a roasted duck. So that didn't work out. Next thing we're going to try omelets. Sure.
No, this is my spot. My spot. No, no.
We have 2 chairs. Why don't you both use chairs?
No.
There's one right there.
No, not yet. Daddy.
What?
Not cooking yet.
Don't.
No, I can stir it. Anna, Shannon's carrot.
So that didn't work out. Let's go with our old standby. Jam.
We don't have any peanut butter.
We don't have any peanut butter. So it's jam sandwiches, and you at home always make sure that you give your kids something healthy. Get some tomatoes and an apple. Knock yourselves out, girls. This has been Cooking with Toddlers.
Daddy.
See you next episode. There's not going to be another episode.